Whether we clear the snow or hire someone else to do it, we're ultimately responsible to deal with it for the safety of others. It's not just the snow that's a problem, it's also the ice. And as weather patterns change with more rain and fluctuating temperatures, challenges with ice will grow. There are steps we can take to deal with the water before it turns to ice. Let me show you. Here's a commercial property with a parking lot, several entrances, sidewalks, and landscaping. Start by walking around your property with your winter maintenance team. You can do this at any time, but a rainy day reveals how water flows, pools, and puddles on your property. Here's a classic example of water pouring from a downspout. The same water that turns to ice when the temperature hits zero. You can prevent this by directing the flow away from paved areas and by keeping the eaves troughs clear and in good repair. Otherwise, we risk a slip and fall and need a lot of salt, damaging our property, floors, landscaping, and the environment, including our drinking water. Chances are you also have stairs and walkways you can close off. They look nice in summer, but create additional hazards and extra work in winter. So close off areas that are especially troublesome, like here, where the steps are wide, angled, and without railings. Here in the parking lot, look for areas where ice can form. Poor grading creates pooling, and that means ice. And take a closer look at the pavement. Cracks and raised sections create icy areas from packed snow left by the plow. Adding landscaping or snow fences can also help with drifting snow. And if you have overflow parking for peak warmer months, close them off in winter to reduce your work and liability. Store the snow on paved surfaces on the lowest part of your property, close to a catch basin. This will prevent snow melt from refreezing across your parking lot. And keeping the basin clear will ensure the water flows away. It's all about preventing ice before it occurs, and that means less salt and a safer property. There's a lot more in this booklet to help, because before we know it, the white stuff will be coming down again. Visit the Region of Waterloo website for more.